I don't know what day it is. I don't know what the date is. I think it's May 25th. It's a Saturday of Memorial Day weekend, and I'm just doing a little garden update because we have some stuff coming up in the garden, and we put together the new garden, and I'm gonna be putting some new plants into it. I don't know if we're gonna put many seeds into it, but we're gonna put some plants into it. So come along with me. Hey Pooper, what are you doing? You wanna go in the garden? Should we show everyone what we've been doing? Okay, here we go. Okay, so I sent Andy back to Whole Foods to get more dirt. And I'm out here with Pooper, and my neighbors are taking care of Frannie because she loves them, and I love that. So anyway, let me show you the new planter that we got. It's right here. And we live on a very strange lot. We have an easement, so all of the drainage from the whole neighborhood goes basically into our backyard to the drain. And so you walk in the front door, but we have a walkout basement also. So it's a slope. And so we really can't find anything that's flat. So, oh, sorry, let me move the baby bones there. So that's our new raised bed planter. It's actually on the ground, but it's still considered raised bed. I put something underneath it. They come with these black sheets of something, which I probably should know what they are. Anyway, Andy went back to Whole Foods again to get more dirt because every time we think it's full, it is not. So as you can see, it needs more dirt. And I really want to get all the plants in and the seeds in tonight. And it's about 6 o'clock already. So we'll see if that happens. Okay, so these are our raised beds from last week. As you can see, our plants are nice and sturdy and they're doing well. But we have some plants down there. And so let me show you that. I want you to see what's going on. In 1 week, they started sprouting, and I'm very excited about it. What are you doing? You're anchoring me. I'm trying to get to the planters. Pooper. Should we go check on Frannie? Okay. Okay, so the sun is starting to set and my mom is here. We're gonna go get some burgers at Whole Foods, which are actually really good. Let me show you the sprouts that came up today, and then tomorrow we're gonna plant everything in the new raised bed. So we'll do that tomorrow, okay? So take a look at this. Look, we've got little plants. I think they're peas and cucumbers coming up. Not exactly sure, because I should have marked where I planted everything, but I didn't. This bed is all tomatoes, and it's very hard to see, but there are actually tiny little tomato plants coming up here. There's one. See right there? And so those are our plants, and these are some more tomato plants, and these are our eggplants. And there is my daughter and my mother waiting for me so we can go get burgers.
And my daughter is talking to plants. Okay.
Okay. Okay, we're on our way to go get some burgers, and then we'll check in tomorrow and we'll put some new stuff in our new raised bed. Hi friends, day 2, starting with a little garden update. We have even more things coming in. It's like it happens overnight. I love it. So here, I don't even remember what these are, but you can see all of these, all of that, and that, and that. And that's awesome. I'm so excited. We even have some of the tomato sprouts are coming through. I'm not optimistic about the tomatoes. I didn't do very well with tomatoes last year. So I went to a garden center yesterday and I bought some more stuff. So we filled this one this morning. Take a look. So I got some corn, which is kind of weird because, yeah, I don't think it's gonna work, but we're gonna try it. There's some broccoli, and in this dirt right here we've got some carrots and we've got some parsnips, and I think I put some beets down here. Then here we have some beans, and then here we have hot peppers for my dad because my dad loves hot peppers. What do you think of hot peppers?
I got a flower.
You do? Yeah. And your bathing suit on. Should we show everyone why you have your bathing suit on? Because it's like 90 degrees out today. So you're gonna go in the pool?
Not yet.
Not yet. We're waiting for the water to fill it?
Yeah.
Okay. I like your bathing suit. What's on your bathing suit?
Watermelon.
Watermelon?
Yeah. That's what I'm wearing.
I like to buy plastic pools. My husband cut me off. Last year I bought 3. They're still in the box. But we pulled one out. This is a lot bigger than I thought it was. But look how cool it is. It's got a slide, right? A little slide. No one can hurt themselves. And then it's got a bench and a parent pool.
I put the flower in.
So I can sit in there. I think that's brilliant. Look,
Mommy.
cup holders for my Yetis. What? Oh, that's my cup holder. I don't know if I've been forgetting to mention this, but we also grow strawberries. And I had strawberries from last year, but the planter, I don't know, it sat out all winter, and we have some really big fat squirrels around here. So I don't know, I don't know if I'm gonna eat these ones, but they came back. Yeah, so there you go. See? And we have a lot of strawberries actually coming in. And I bought another strawberry plant for this year. And it's not organic, but I think it should be okay if I grow it organically, right? So here are some strawberries coming in. And I'm gonna replant that so it has more room. But I think we're doing pretty good. I'm pretty happy. Yeah, signs of life. Signs of life. You gonna go down the slide? Get in the big pool. Ah! I gotcha. Ready? Whee!
Your turn.
No way.
Yeah.
No way.
I'm sitting.
You're so cute. Sit on your tush. Whee! Oh. Well, I'm glad you're having fun. I'm gonna sit on the mommy bench now. Okay guys, that's the news for now. Not very long vlog, not very riveting. So sorry. There's the belly. About 8 more weeks, which feels like hell, but I'm thankful. So I'm gonna go sit on the mommy bench now with my Yeti and watch my kid fall on her tush. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful spring/summer so far. Happy Memorial Day weekend. Bye. You can do it. You can do it. Oh! Are you stuck? There you go, there you go. Up. You having trouble there?
Yeah, I have to get out.
All right, I'll help you. All right, I'm gonna turn the water off, I think.
Yeah.
All right, come on, one more slide. One more slide.
But this just a little water on it.
Come on, one more slide. In this pool that is way bigger than I thought it was gonna be.
Mom, I think that helped me.
You can do it, you can do it. Whee! Good job, Francels. Okay. Can you wave goodbye? Frannie, wave goodbye.
Bye. No, you have hands wide.
Okay.
What's those hands is?
I don't know. I'll try it.
Okay.
All right, bye.